Let's go ahead and do the ashed tinder technique. It's one that I sort of identified and came up with. And any tinder, not just this fabric that we're using today, that you impregnate, thoroughly saturate with wood ashes, will turn that tinder into a great coal extender. I saw a video by Greg Ovens, and he was taking a empty BIC lighter, and I think he took some punkwood or an old stump, ground it up into powder, and he put it down inside that flame guard, and he sort of ignited that to get a little flame within the lighter, you know, just right inside this chamber to ignite some grass. I like that idea. I'm going to make this lighter empty. I think I'm still gonna pry off the guard so that I can easily get off the child guard, and then I'm gonna put this guard back on, and we'll take a small piece of ash tinder, ignite it, take it back out of there, put it in a bigger piece of ash tinder, and get the flames. Whoa, there was not much in there. Let's take this guard off. Now, we'll take the child guard off and put this guard back on. Now, we can get to that striker wheel better, and we have an empty chamber in there. Don't really need that big of a piece of fabric. But you really want to saturate it well on both sides. And that's what our piece of t-shirt looks like, 100% cotton. Let's put a little piece down inside that lighter. Now, let's try that. And we'll put it in this bigger piece of ashed tinder and just let it grow. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.